SEC and paid over $82 million for disgorgement of its profits. SEC settlement did not relate to the bank's facilitation of tax evasion of U.S. client accounts in Switzerland. Do you know what the profits from those accounts were? You got a general idea?
In terms of, sorry, as opposed to the SEC?
Right, the profits that you made from those accounts.
No, Senator, I don't think we have a good idea of that. I can perhaps lead you through some of the numbers that might give you an understanding of, how those numbers developed, but I don't think we have a precise idea, no.
But those profits were pretty substantial, given the number of clients and the $10, $12 billion in the accounts.
No, I think in terms of the importance of this business, and frankly, it's one of the issues that makes this an issue that is for us as well something that we regret a lot. Is this was a very small business, actually, from our point of view. It was about less than 1% of the profitability of our global bank, and so this was actually a relatively small part of the business. Obviously, we're not in any way trying to avoid responsibility for the acts which happened and the behavior, but clearly was a small, from an economic point of view, it was a very small part of the business.
But I guess it's all depend on how you look at it, but if it was $12 billion and say 10%, which is very modest, would be well over $1 billion.
Well, can I address the $12 billion, because I think that's actually an important issue that we thought was worth spending a little time with the subcommittee on.
I thought you just responded $10 to $12 billion in the 2000.
$12 billion was the amount of accounts that we had outstanding as of the end of 2008. Of that $12 billion, $5 billion of that, as we went through and did a full investigation, was determined to be fully tax compliant. So not all of the $12 billion was not tax compliant. So $5 billion was tax compliant. Another $2.2 billion was actually determined to not have a U.S. taxpayer connected with it. So